Well, here we are at the Big Island Association and Nursery plant sale again. This one's going to be the Labor Day version. Doors just open. We just wandered in here. Heck, nobody's hardly picked anything up yet even. Citrus trees. Star fruits.
More than likely 35. Yeah, well, I don't have them in big
that
bags.
actually would be good because I think
I have those there.
Dryer and stuff like that. So
Yeah, long
and,
take. Yeah. Well, no.
Here we have tea. Lots of tea. Kenny, cacao. Hapuu, the tree fern. Scented geraniums, ice cream beans. Oh, lots of papayas.
What's your favorite one over here?
Should have known this is where I'd find you. Ellen?
Yeah.
Talanzias.
Do I have that one?
Well, you have something very close to it.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I guess I should just write these down before I come to
That would make good
this.
sense.
Yeah, because they all look.
Got all kinds of them.
Yeah, this looks a lot.
Very similar to something you have
Well,
already.
I actually have one. It's bigger. Bigger one that's down there.
The key is you tilt the plant like that, so when it rains, the water just rains. Instead of, doing that, and good air ventilation.
Palms. Oh man, there's palms. Interesting stuff. Bamboo, big time. Look at all this bamboo. Holy smokes. Well, I'd hate like have to haul that all in here and take it home. Oh, they ain't giving it away either.
White filler.
I don't know. Probably.
Never seen bambusa wamen called lumpy noodle before, huh? Lumpy noodle. Lumpy noodle. Nice band of orchids. California cuttings. Rhyraeas, the tropical rhododendrons. Tahitian breadfruit. Ooh. All kind bamboo in 1-gallon pots. Edible pandanus. Glabras. That's a pretty interesting form of ginger.
How many more of those do you have? Yeah, I had put 2 in already.
Oh, and then we have quite a collection of tea. That is the Hawaiian tea, T-I, not Chinese tea. All kind of colors. someone I know. Hi, Hillary. Yeah, hang loose. Ah, surprise.
Find anything yet?
Oh, I'm on a 12-step program with plants mostly. Well, they're already cleaning the place out. Here they are in line. Hey, Mike. How you doing? Yes, look at all them happy people with all their beautiful plants. Oh my God, everybody loves plants, huh? Talk about a line. Yeah. Shopping for the Tesla was too much work for me. I wasn't going to go through that.
It's so worth it in the end.
I happen to like the Bolt, so I'm good. At least we won't be buying oil anymore.
Oh, that's great.
Because they both feel like they have nothing to do because they don't.
Well, here we are on the way out the door. Ellen's got her stuff here in the box. That's a very minor purchase, but they're select items.
Do you guys think
This was $16. It's not too minor.
Cool.
It's got rubs anyway.
Yeah, looks good.
Good. Because I just had to.
harassing the customers?
Actually, I'm harassing my partner here. Hi, Mike and Maya. Right. Yeah, well, these two folks here are two folks I happen to know. They tend to work for Joe.
Look at the begonia over there. That's the one we're growing.
nice?
Cool.
Our like favorite begonia.